a delicious warm holiday bread. Butternut squash bread with prunes. So now, let's get baking. First, you want to boil the butternut squash and mash it, as you can see here. Now, I'm gonna show you how to make a prune puree. Very easy. Blend a warm half a cup of water with 10 prunes to make your naturally sweetened puree. The prune puree is my secret ingredient. It adds extra nutrients without the need to add any extra added sugars. Prunes are a low glycemic food. They can help maintain a healthy blood sugar levels as well. Now here's a tip that I love. Add the chopped prune pieces and walnuts. This is a nice trick because it coats them and it will help prevent them from going to the bottom. You want to have the taste of prunes and walnuts at every bite. Did you know that prunes contain nutrients that can help bone health like boron, potassium, and vitamin K? Also, the combination of soluble fiber and insoluble fiber can help maintain a healthy digestive tract. Now I have 2 more ideas for you. You can bring this entire loaf into a holiday party or bake smaller loaves and wrap them as a gift for your loved ones.